Hey folks, this is Jay here from Chandler, Arizona. Let's talk quantum computing again today. There is a lot of discussion around viability of an industrial scale quantum computer or something which an industry and enterprise can use, just like you would use a classical cloud computer to do some computations and things like that. But what does that viability mean? For example, Google announced in 2020 that by 2030 they would have an error corrected quantum computer. IBM did the same thing, a Chinese company did the same thing. What does those viabilities mean and what is Google trying to achieve? There are, if you take a step back, there are two big things which Google, IBM, Microsoft, all these companies are trying to do when they talk about viability of a quantum computer. Both are related to hardware. One is scalability, second is reliability. When they talk about scalability of a quantum computer, they're talking about interconnected qubits in large quantities. So where just now there is very little capability from an industrial perspective and from a process perspective to create quantum computers with large amounts of interconnected qubits. This requires hardware processes. This requires learning from existing silicon-based foundries to figure out how do you do that. So that is number one. That is to create in large numbers of interconnected qubits is not possible just now. That is number one. Number two is reliability or quote unquote noise reduction. When they talk about noise, what they mean to say is when you are in a superconducted state, your computer is in certain quantum state, they need to remain in that state entangled for long periods of time to do any kind of operation reliably. Because there is noise from the outside atmosphere, a lot of these companies are trying to figure out how to correct errors coming because of this noise. There are companies now who are looking at using atoms and lasers and things like that to by design create a no noise quantum computer. But the most viable quantum computers just now, the way it looks, are quantum computers who will have noise, but they will have a very effective error correction mechanism. That is what's going on when people say that we are working towards making quantum computers viable. Thank you very much. If you have any questions or any thoughts, please comment. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.